This property is going to be one of the hottest deals in the Kendall area, located at 16449 Northwest 48th Terrace in Melrose Park. This townhome in the corner facing the lake is going to be listed for $570,000, having 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and it is fully renovated. Anyone that buys this property doesn't have to do a single thing to it. You have solar panels, 3 renovated bathrooms, renovated kitchen, floors upstairs and downstairs have also been upgraded, and the best lake view you can think of. If you guys want to check out this property, all you got to do is reach out to me at 305-439-6211 to schedule your private tour today. Did I forget to mention you also have over 1,846 square feet under AC plus a 1-car garage. You truly don't have to do a single thing but bring your toothbrush and your clothes and enjoy. Now let's go check out the inside.